it's Lily. I'm back and I'm really excited because I'm filming my first workout video today. I thought I'd be a little extra and wear my Gymshark stuff for you guys today too, so I'll talk about that in a second. I am going to the gym. I'm gonna be hitting legs and glutes, mostly glutes. Okay, I'm gonna explain a little better. So my quads tend to grow pretty easily, so I try and focus on hitting my glutes more than anything. So if you're not really trying to work your butt out today, don't follow this workout. I'm also not a certified personal trainer or anything like that. I just know what works for me. Working out, I've been doing weights for almost a year now. Before that, I was doing like Kayla's Bikini Body Guide. I did that since I was like 15 or 16. So I've always been working out, but I've just been consistent with my weights here lately, and I'm pretty happy with the results. I'm trying to focus a little more on my diet and stuff lately because after the holidays it's just kind of like a little fluffy, you know. So what we're gonna do, I usually start out with the treadmill. I just walk for like 5 or 10 minutes. I kind of gather my thoughts and wrap my head around like what I want to do while I'm in the gym, because my gym is tiny and when it's busy you can't really follow a set plan that you have without somebody else like getting on the machine that you need, or yeah, you get what I'm saying. So I usually go in there, kind of fill out how busy the gym is, and then I go from there and do what I need to do. I usually start out with warm-up, then I go over and do some glute activating exercises, and then I move on to like compound movements. I usually superset with something that keeps my heart rate up, and that would be like jump squats or box jumps, the stuff that sucks basically, but we love it because it works, and that's how we burn some extra fat and tone. And if you're not going for the bulky look, like body weight, high intensity stuff like that is going to help you out a lot, let me tell you. Anyway, I'm going to drink some pre-workout, put on my shoes, and we're gonna go kill our legs. Oh, but I wanted to show you guys my Gymshark outfit because I figured I might as well talk a little bit about them and how much I hate it. You know, I'm obsessed. I got the black, what's it called? Seamless, I forget the rest of the name. Anyway, it's the high-waisted one. Seamless, super cute, and it fits really nice and feels good, and I've already worn it before to work out in, and let me tell you, it's just like, it holds you in all the right places, and I can't tell you how great that is. Not feeling like you have to suck in your whole workout, you know? This is a little weird, but my camera doesn't flip while I'm filming. There's the bottoms. They're really stretchy, but like when you put them on, it's kind of a workout itself, but it's a good warm up. I think that's all I really need to say. I'm gonna go drink my pre-workout because I'm not spazzed out enough for you guys, so let's go. There's no looking pretty after you do legs. Like, it's not possible. And if you do, I hate you. I look like I'm balding and I have a zit above my lip, so just keeping it real with you guys. That was my leg workout. As you can see, I literally superset everything. It helps me work up a sweat, and I don't know, it just kind of counts as my cardio too, and I'm like, if I don't have to run, we're good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, or that you try some of the workouts. Comment and let me know if you like some of the workouts, because those are my favorites at the moment. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the little bell button so you get a notification when I post my next video. I'm gonna go home and eat a bunch of food and probably take a nap, then edit this video. So see you guys soon. Bye. What? Okay. No, I'm nervous. And I don't want to talk to you for it. Okay, what? Sorry, I'm a little delirious after the pre-workout and doing legs for like 9 hours. It like shapes your legs better, and let me just tell you, it makes your rear end look fantastic. So that's why I'm wearing it today, because I need a little extra help. But yeah, this is the result. I sweat like a man, and I am exhausted. See you guys in my next video. I'm gonna try this again. And yeah, I will see you guys soon. Bye.